buge kar kano buge mar piny owacho kata library kaka yo mar siro somo e pacho ka. Kotelnegi kod jakom mar riwruogno George Mokua, chenro ma kamano bende geto mar duoko piny ting' mamalo ma jonyuol kod jopuonjre ma mbalariany yudo e kinde ma ging'iewo buge. Jokanyo mag riwruogno bende geto ng'iewo buge mabiro konyo e somo mopogore opogore. Chenro ma kamano osebedo ka timore e kuonde kano buge mopogore opogore mag piny owacho. Jopuonjre matiyo kod buge e kaunti ma Kisii opwoyo okang' ma kamano ka giwacho ni biro duoko piny nok mar buge e pacho ka.
This initiative, which was spearheaded by one of us, CP Douglas Mohati. He gave a very touching testimony sometimes last year when we had the same function in Kakamega, how he went through hardship in accessing the books, and therefore that what motivated him to start this initiative of talking to friends and colleagues within the profession so that they can contribute a few shillings here and there so that we can be able to buy these textbooks for aspiring accountants. So we are here to support that initiative, and today we managed to donate about over 50 books.
Our main intention, or why we came up with the idea, is that we have people aspiring to be accountants, but in most cases they cannot afford to pay for college fees, and therefore they have to do private studies. In their efforts, sometimes they don't get access to the materials because the syllabus keeps on changing every now and then. So we decided as accountants that we buy the materials, bring the materials to the Kenya Library Services so that the students who are willing to pursue accounting, they can access them and read for themselves.
What we've done is that we've given hope to the upcoming accountants. They now know where to get books to read, because what has been happening is that the SPAC syllabus has been changing from time to time, and accessing books has been a challenge.
Also, just to call on other players, particularly the government, to consider updating